Hi, I'm Georgia. Now, it's raining, it's pouring is a really fun nursery rhyme, and when you add the ASL to turn it into an ASL song, it becomes even more fun because rain is just kind of easy, but because it's pouring, we can go really hard. It's very expressive. So let's learn all the signs with Lee in It's Raining, It's Pouring.
Get your umbrellas out for it's raining, it's pouring. It's raining, it's pouring, and when it pours rain, it comes down really hard, so we'll do that with our hands too. It's pouring. The old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. So let's sing and sign. It's raining, it's pouring.
Now you saw how Lee did the sign for man, like the old man. And this is old, it's like a beard. The old man, you go make a 5-hand, you go from your forehead to your chest, because the male signs are up here. If it was woman, you would go from your chin down to your chest. So this is man and this is woman. But this is an old, like a beard, and then man. So now go to the song, It's Raining, It's Pouring, and sing and sign along.
Play, play, play along. Come on and play along.